Hi everyone, Amanda Saab here, and I'm so excited to be sharing a recipe with you. As Eid approaches, I want to share one of my favorite easy cakes. Let's get into the recipe. We're going to start with some sugar. I have 3/4 cup sugar here, and I'm using my stand mixer so the mixer does all the work for me. And into that, I'm also going to add 3/4 cups oil. And I'm going to let this mix until combined. And while these are going, I'm going to add my eggs. I'm going to add our eggs in one at a time. Next, we're going to add 3/4 cup yogurt and a tablespoon of vanilla extract. I'm going to turn up the speed a bit until everything's really nice and light and combined. Next, I'm going to add our dry ingredients. I have 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, and 2 teaspoons baking powder. And right into our bowl. We're going to mix until just combined. I have our toasted coconut. I'm going to save some of the cup of coconut to sprinkle on the top for a nice garnish, but we're going to add almost a cup and reserve about 1/3 cup for your topping and mix until combined. And that's our cake batter. So simple, and it'll bake in just about 30 minutes. And our cake batter is all combined. I have a 9-inch cake pan that's sprayed with baking spray. And I'm just going to pour our batter inside. And I love the texture that coconut will bring. And we always want to toast coconut first so it gets that nice, rich, nutty flavor. Now this is going to bake in a 350-degree oven for about 30 minutes. So let's pop it in the oven and get back soon. While our cake is baking, we're going to make our frosting. And for our frosting, I have 4 ounces of unsalted butter, and it's at room temperature. And I have 2 cups of powdered sugar. Careful for that sugar cloud. And I have 2 tablespoons of heavy cream and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And we're just going to let this mix until combined. Perfect. Now that our cake is completely cooled, we're ready to decorate. Our frosting is ready in our piping bag. I'm just going to make some swirls all around the edges. And here's our finished cake. I hope you'll enjoy and make it with your family to celebrate Eid. Say Eid Mubarak! Eid Mubarak!